Hi, my name is Diah. I'm a lecturer, a researcher, an educator. Education has always been a major problem in Southeast Asia, especially in Indonesia and the eastern part of Indonesia. Under the Ministry of Tourism, Republic of Indonesia, I'm involved in many projects involved to community building and services, especially in the eastern part of Indonesia. Through Center for Community-Based Tourism or CCBT, we tend to do many volunteer activities, not only for the people in Bali but also in the eastern part of Indonesia. I believe the opportunities does not allow me only to further and nurture my knowledge and myself, but also the possibilities for forthcoming collaborations with many educators in Southeast Asia. I tend to have a lot of collaborations in not only teachings and educating people and the local citizen, but also in many volunteering activities and also research and publications. Therefore, I look forward to be a part of the YSEALI educators in Brunei, and I look forward meeting you all.